How to connect Twilio to GoHighlevel. Now before, there used to be a manual option here directly on the left side of GoHigh, but this time you can go ahead and integrate your Twilio in the app marketplace. So if you go ahead here in the bottom left corner, and if you have access to the app marketplace, you can install Twilio itself. So you can get more out of your CRM, explore apps, and integrate them with your account. So this is where you can integrate Twilio itself. So just go ahead and search for Twilio here on the search apps, and once you do, Twilio will pop out. So you're gonna have to choose this option, of course, and install the app. Once you go ahead and install, you will be able to connect your Twilio account once you give the information and the details of your Twilio account as well. And once you go ahead and press and install, it's gonna make you choose whichever sub account to continue with app installation, but just whichever, either all of them or any amount you want, and press on continue. But that's pretty much how you integrate or connect both your GoHighlevel with Twilio. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.